Everyone, please watch carefully as they put these sweet potato leaves into the boiling water. Scalded in boiling water, little did you know that it would instantly unlock a special dish that the whole family will love. Can it be delicious? It can be good. Eat. There are also nutritious and delicious. This dish costs 98 yuans a serving at our hotel. Today I'll teach you how to make it. Making it at home only costs 2 yuan. Easily done. Do well. If it's served even a little late, you won't be able to get any. It doesn't need to be cooked for too long. Blanch the sweet potato leaves for about 30 seconds, then remove them from the water. Put it in cold water and rinse it quickly. Enough to guarantee the color of sweet potato leaves. Sweet potato leaves are bright green and taste better when used. Water hot pot. Effective. Removing surface pesticide residues, dust, impurities, and insect eggs is cleaner than washing. So is it safe to eat? That makes us feel more at ease. Let's squeeze out the water again. Next, we'll chop the sweet potato leaves into small pieces. Sweet potato leaves are a good thing to eat. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. It has very high nutritional value due to its high dietary fiber content. So in our home, those with elderly people and children must frequently. I also want to ask my older brothers and sisters a question. You guys still? Do you know any ways to cook sweet potato leaves? Let's discuss them in the comments section. Let's have a chat and discuss. Argument. After cutting the sweet potato leaves, squeeze out the excess water. Then, put it in a big bowl. Next, let's crack some eggs. Cracking eggs doesn't seem that simple. Actually, there are many little tricks, brother. When beating eggs, ladies, you can crack them towards the edge of the bowl, but never towards the edge of the bowl. The shell is because of the eggshell. Egg crumbs can easily fall inside, which is unsanitary and makes things messy. Let's find a flat surface to crack the eggs into. First, crack a hole in the egg, then it was poured into the small bowl. Pour it back to the big one. The smoke in the bowl is getting hotter and it's easy to burn something. If you crack an egg and it turns out bad, that would be such a waste of a bowl of eggs. When beating eggs, you should beat them like this first. Find a flat surface and crack a hole in the egg first. Then, inject into the little ear and then pour it into the big ear. When beating eggs, just beat them like this. Even if you beat 100 eggs every day, you won't get a single one. Bad egg and broken eggshell. Many of my older siblings have mentioned that frying eggs at home can result in a fishy smell. Also, hey, today I'll teach you a little trick about wine. What can we add to this dish? A few drops of white vinegar. Hey, give me a few drops less. Many people have this question. Won't the scrambled eggs taste sour if I add white vinegar? Yes, white vinegar evaporates when heated. Its role in eggs. Its function is to remove fishy smells and enhance aroma. It will only make our scrambled eggs smoother and more tender. My brother puts his heart into it every day. Sharing some cooking tips and tricks. If you happen to come across this video, please let me know. All my brothers, sisters, and uncles and aunts, can you order a free one for my brother? The little red hearts and free follows are also a way to show appreciation to older users. My brother's support and encouragement. All that hard work filming videos every day, if no one really wants to watch them, or there really is no one. I really enjoy watching my brother's videos, but I'm almost at my breaking point. I also wish all viewers good luck. Of older brother, older sister, uncle. The aunties are all healthy, their children are safe and sound, and their families are harmonious and peaceful. Industry. May everything go smoothly for the whole family. Everything goes smoothly. If you receive a younger brother, please also type "keep going" in the comments section as a sincere blessing. That way, you'll also be showing your support for your elders. Brother, thank you again for your support and encouragement. 1. Brothers, sisters, and uncles who helped me click the like button and follow. Aunts, I wish you all the best in 2026. Earn more money, get angry less, and may the whole family be well taken care of, my brother. Thank you again from the bottom of my heart for the instructions on how to pour the beaten eggs over red sauce on the sweet potato leaves. Seasoning. It's very simple. Add 1/3 of the salt you would use for regular stir frying, along with a pinch of pepper to enhance the aroma. Add some chopped green onions to enhance its aroma. Now let's continue cooking. We'll add the egg mixture and sweet potato mixture. Add chopped scallions and mix thoroughly. To prevent eggs from sticking to the pan when frying them at home, you must grease the pan beforehand. Then add soybean oil or rapeseed oil. This will make the fried eggs golden brown. It also smells delicious. This kind of foam appears on top when you beat the eggs. If it's scrambled eggs then. It's a good thing that scrambled eggs are fluffy and soft, but if you're steaming egg cake at home, that mosey must be knocked out, otherwise the steamed egg cake won't look good or taste good. Heat oil in a pan and pour in the beaten egg mixture. Use a spoon to clean it inside and out. Stirring the eggs regularly ensures they cook evenly, making the scrambled eggs taste especially delicious. Use the back of a spoon to press it into a pancake shape. The rounder the better. Simmer over medium-low heat throughout. Once one side is set over low heat, flip it over and toss it in the pan. Next, let's talk about the other side. Even if you don't know how to flip a pan at home, it's okay, Tafe will teach you. A little trick is to use a large round plate to put this in the pot. One buckle. Then lightly. Light. It was so easy to flip him over like that, and he fried it until golden brown. Once the noodles turn golden brown, we can take them out of the pan and plate them. Look how pretty it is, brothers and sisters. Look how pretty this new way of eating sweet potato leaves is. Not pretty. Do you have an appetite? If you learn how to make this dish, your whole family will give you a thumbs up and praise you. The chef loves it, and everyone, young and old, is happy to try it. I'll try it on behalf of my older siblings and see if it's good. The sweet potato leaves had an amazing smooth and tender texture, and the eggs were incredibly smooth and tender. So fresh and delicious, you absolutely have to click on this video. Like, save, and bookmark this if you've learned it. You really should try making this at home. It's so delicious. The sweet potato leaves are smooth and tender, and the eggs are incredibly fresh and tender.